In front of me is OnePlus Ace freebie, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then tap on All Services, Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Finally, to edit any password, click on it, enter your current login method and choose Edit button. Then you can change wherever you want to. And when you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Sorry, misclick. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!